is Marlon Antonio Pareño. The gazillion of goals in around the universe. The repeat. There's a lot of gold, diamonds, silver, rubies, and emeralds. Simply all those gemstones. Yes. And the core elements. All of those elements. All I mean is there's a lot of gold in those planets out there. Imagine the universe is so wide that gazillions of planets is still not enough for filling the universe, filling up the universe. So in those gazillion of planets, there are species, but a lot of those species, as I estimate, 70 to 80% of those species are not interested, has no interest in those in golds, in diamonds, etc. They're still instinctively living, want to live and surviving. So it's up to us humans. Those gazillion planets. Imagine in one planet how many golds can you get? In planet Earth, for example, planet Jupiter. How many times Jupiter is more larger than planet Earth? Imagine planet Jupiter. In planet Jupiter, how zillion of gold bars can be extracted from that planet. That huge planet is very gazillion in the universe. And so if we make labor out of all population of humans around the world, it's still not enough to gain all of this golds and diamonds. Okay, so there's no need to start fight or war. We just need to make this gold and diamonds and silver and emeralds, etc. be motivation for humans to start thinking, living outside the planet. Start thinking how to finally make the outer space, including its all planets, etc. It's time to make use of it, learn how to avail it. Back then I used to say, 2007, 2008, the gift of God is the gift of God to humans do not stop on Earth alone, planet Earth alone. Everything inside in the entire universe itself. Okay. This is Mal Antonio Pareño of Clan Pareño. And Bacali and Vilmosan Arena. Vergara Leyte Pareño before Negros. Yeah, to the Indo. Peace, peace, peace. Make love, not war. Love, not war. Peace, peace, peace. And unity for this task. Imagine all humans will be rich. All humans will be rich. All humans will no longer suffer. There's no individual sport. Okay, guys, love you guys. Bye, guys.